This is a E100 platform lift. It has a 100 kilogram max weight, about 220 pounds, 200 pounds. This table I think is 18 wide. It's 18 by 24. Yeah, 18 by 24. A little smaller, but 18 by 24. What's the down height there? What's the height right now? So the load height is just under 5 inches. And then my max height, I think is 68. We'll get it up there. It runs on 12 volts. It's got a little 12 volt sealed acid battery in it. But let me get it up to the top here. I had these before. They're pretty handy. Nice little units for loading shelves or whatever. Okay, so that's up. There's 68. That's all the way up. You can see it's got 4 castered wheels. One's locking. This one was locking, but it looks like it broke off. It rolls around pretty easily. And if you wanted to, it could be kind of a fork adapter too if you took this table off, but that's up to you. I'm not going to do that. These wires are not the best. I would maybe look into replacing that because the charger, so this is a charger, you see it's got where the insulation kind of wore off. And then we'll go back down. And I'll just show you real quick. I'll pull this out. This comes out. And here, the test, I'll show you how much it can lift. I'll have my friend get on here. He's about 80 kilograms. If it ever gets down there. Like I said, this might be faster with a little bit better battery in it, or I don't know if it's fully charged. I didn't charge it before I did this. All right, just up on there. I'm not going to go so high. But you can see it doesn't even strain. That's the unit. It's going to have to be shipped on a pallet as it's quite large, about 70 inches tall. And there's the lift chain you can see in the background there. That's the unit. If you got questions, concerns, let me know. Otherwise, thank you.